this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plain. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta Sport, stock reference number 4271. This shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has an M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory Sony single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.